by the middle of next week. Formation chance through 48 hours.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And you know what you were listening to? NOAA weather. I've been telling you, you need to have an emergency radio. All year long, you need an emergency radio. There's floods, there's tornadoes, and we're at the peak of hurricane season. I'll be glad when it's over. Living in Florida, and I'm always worried about hurricanes. Anyway, I just got this radio from Retevis. It's the upgraded version of TR604. They added the weather band. So now it's an emergency radio. It has an AC cord. And if you lose AC, you can use 3 D-cell batteries. AM, FM, weather band. Nice case, carrying handle, about 24, 25-inch telescopic antenna for FM and weather band. On-off volume, lots of volume, nice big speaker, very clear. Band select AM, FM, weather band, and tone, low or high. Tuning knob is over here. The one thing I wish they had, especially since it's an emergency radio, I wish it was the dial was backlit. So then, when you're without power, you have a backlit light dial you can see. So let's turn it back on. I was on the weather band.
Sunday night, northwest winds 5
Loud
to
and
10
clear.
knots, becoming northeast after midnight. Bay and inland waters light chop.
I was able to receive 2 of the 7 NOAA stations here in my area. That's typical. Sometimes, some radios, I can get 3. The third one is very weak. This one got 1 that you heard, very strong, and 1 weak. AM band reception is excellent. Let me just go to the AM band real quick. And that's down here. We'll go down the bottom of the band. Okay, start the band.
Of Christ. So the first way the Holy Spirit witnesses to me of my sonship and inheritance
And
is by illuminating.
as usual,
Let me show you a second way
the radios
the Holy
like to
Spirit
face this way because the stations are that way. So I'll tune it this way.
By this we know that we abide in him and he in us.
Been a while ago.
Oh yeah. Great AM reception.
All you got to do is go to
Yeah.
webroom.com/.
Pick it up.
Here's what you
Lots of stations. I'm only up to 900 kilohertz.
10 people, 10 devices.
FM. I have to go through it real quick, just a little bit. Go down the bottom of the band. Go to FM. Turn the volume back up. It's up. And we'll tune quickly. Okay, there's
able to remove Fed officials, quote,
news.
at will, and that opinion is expected.
That's the station in Tampa at the University of South Florida, which is what I use for my test because it's not a super strong station. It's quite a ways from me, and if I can receive that on a radio, the radio's doing a good job.
The president does not have the authority to
Very
impose
clear.
many of them.
Been life-changing, but every now and then.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, I better get off there. It does have a power indicator, but unfortunately I don't see any sign of a backlight. I wish I had a backlight, but it's not a big deal. But I think this is a pretty good radio. You can get this off of Amazon. And I want to thank Retevis, who has supported my shows for years now, for sending me this radio. They actually sent me 2 weather radios. This one and a little tiny pocket radio, which I'll be reviewing in the upcoming show. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up, and I want you to have a great day. Bye-bye.